Wi-Fi authentication on Android phone problem. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So one of the methods that you could do is you could select one of the Wi-Fi that you're having a hard time connecting to, for example this one, and you're going to simply go over here and you're going to click on forget network. Forgetting the network will allow you to, as you can see here, forget that entirely or that Wi-Fi entirely. And what I want you guys to try and do is to try and reconnect to that Wi-Fi again. For example, you're going to enter the password once again. By doing this, you are able to allow your phone to forget that Wi-Fi or any connection to that Wi-Fi. The other things that you could do is you could turn on and off your Wi-Fi mode or your airplane mode over here to allow its receptors or its system to reset, whether it's for your mobile data or for Wi-Fi, and turn it on again. And you could also try and restarting both your phone and the router. Most often than not, it's often the router that has this issue and not your phone itself. So I would recommend that you restart the router and check if there are any issues with the router itself. And aside from that, you could also try restarting your own device. Also ensure that your phone is in its updated OS to avoid any other issues that could possibly be the cause of your Wi-Fi issue. So aside from that, if it's necessary, if none of the options that you're trying to do are working, you could try contacting your internet service provider and ask help from them too. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.